Hi everybody, I'm Tracy, registered dietitian with FLIK Hospitality Group. Today in Teaching Kitchen at Home, we are going to be mastering a basic vinaigrette from scratch. I know it sounds daunting, but trust me, this simple, delicious recipe will have you putting more salads on the menu. Before we get started, don't forget to wash your hands with soap and hot water for at least 20 seconds. These are the ingredients we will be using to make today's basic vinaigrette. A basic vinaigrette is 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar or acid. Today I will be using an extra virgin olive oil to give us some nice heart-healthy fats. You could use any plant-based oil for the same effect. The recipe that I have today actually calls for apple cider vinegar, but I don't have that in my pantry, so I'm going to be substituting in red wine vinegar and a little lemon juice. I really like these flavors. They're bright and refreshing and go perfect with just about any salad that comes out of my kitchen. Paired with the oil and vinegar are going to be some aromatics of fresh herbs, shallots, and garlic, and then we'll get some great emulsification with Dijon mustard. Balance it out with a touch of honey for sweetness, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so here are all of our prepped ingredients. Starting in the top left, I have about 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, measured out so that it's easy for me to pour in as I'm whisking. I have a tablespoon each of red wine vinegar and lemon juice. So a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and that's about the juice from 1/2 of a lemon. I have 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, so a nice heaping teaspoon there. 1 teaspoon of my honey, 1 teaspoon of minced shallots, minced garlic, and 2 teaspoons of chopped fresh thyme. So all of our ingredients are prepared, and now let's get whisking. Here we have the vinegar, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and honey in the bottom of a bowl, and we're going to whisk those together. Now we are going to add the oil in a slow, steady stream, whisking continuously until all of the oil has been added. See how thin that stream of oil is pouring into the bowl? That is the key for a perfectly emulsified vinaigrette. Now that all of the liquids have been whisked together, you can see that it's slightly thickened a little bit. And again, that is because the oil was drizzled in very slowly while whisking continuously. So we're going to add in the garlic and shallots and the fresh thyme and whisk those to incorporate. You can see all of the ingredients have been evenly whisked together. The best part, a taste test. Oh my goodness, so delicious, so creamy. The Dijon mustard helps to emulsify that oil and vinegar mixture so there's no separation of oil and liquid. The lemon juice helps to give a nice bright freshness. And the garlic and shallots just give that little extra something that is almost like a secret ingredient. The best part about making dressings from scratch is that you get to adjust the seasonings, mainly the sodium, which can sometimes be extraordinarily high in a pre-purchased salad dressing. I've made about 4 servings of this salad dressing, so for easy cleanup, use the size bowl for the salad that you want to accommodate. I can now pop my greens right into this bowl, mix the dressing, enjoy my salad, and have one less dish for cleanup. Thanks for tuning in to Teaching Kitchen at Home. Hopefully now with this simple, easy recipe for a basic vinaigrette, you can enjoy a salad every night. Here are a list of ingredient suggestions to make your own basic vinaigrette. Experiment until you find the perfect combination.